I like it. Okay guys, I'm now gonna make my own tereré, which is the national drink of Paraguay. Everyone drinks it in this little cup with a metal straw. I see everyone in the street doing it, literally everyone. The people of Paraguay, this is like what they're proud of. And you also see these cans here. Yeah, so this is where you put in the cold water, but also a lot of people drink it hot. So normally you put in ice apparently, so ice cold water, and then it keeps it cool throughout the day. To make your own tereré, you put in the yerba powder into the cup, you fill up the can with ice cold water and chop in a lime, and then you pour the water into the cup.
Se deja reposar un minuto, 2 minutos.
Okay, vale.
La hierba expande a little bit.
And then you have it, your Paraguayan tereré. Okay guys, so we just made the tereré, and you drink it through the straw. It's my first time now ever trying it. Oh wow, it's like really strong tea kind of thing. I find it almost kind of difficult to get water out of there because the thing is so thick. Like it's almost like you could eat it. It takes a bit of practice to drink tereré properly, but it's worth it, and I definitely got the hang after a while, so I was drinking quite some tereré in Paraguay. I like it.